Yeah, what is it? Huh? Wow, yeah. Что это такое? Is it a leaf? Huh?
Yeah, Jackie. It's a moth. Trying to take a nap right in the walkway of our front door. And that's why we're rescuing her. So she can go off and be safe. Yeah, look, she has little eyes there. Yeah. You want to touch? You can touch. Be gentle.
She's so much prettier in real life than in the video.
Then what?
Than the video.
Aw.
But it's amazing, yeah, it does look like a cut up leaf.
Oh, absolutely. Oh. Do you want to touch? You can do it. Yeah. Okay. Watch. I'll put it on my. Oh, look, on me. Yeah.
Really looks like a leaf. So much.
You want to touch? You can touch. Put it on your hand. He wants me to do it. He wants to use my hand to do it. He's afraid. Oh, sweetie, I'm not going to hurt the little one. Yeah. You can touch. Gentle.
Jackie and his new shoes, they're so freaking cute.
Oh, he's doing what he saw you doing, probably, right? Did he? Did he see you pulling the leaves off, really? He started pulling the ones off his vine.
Good. Wow, she's not really moving.
No, I think she's like tired, you know?
Yeah.
Whee!
Yeah.
Cool. She on my back?
No. No, she's gone.
I got it. I'm sure she's not. Yeah. Wow, cool.
Oh, wow. That's amazing.
Yeah. Yeah, let me get a better shot.
Hold on a minute.
Yeah?
Body in there. Okay.
Yeah, Jokey. You want to touch? Okay. Here, I'll get a better shot for you.
It's upside down.
Okay.
Put it right side up. Why are you doing it upside down?
Because I felt like it.
Okay.
Edit it later if you want.
No, I'm not going to edit it.
It's fine.
Who's got time for that stuff?
That's a really cool accessory to wear around, you know?
So, yeah, another day, another beautiful moth, butterfly,
Gentle.
insect.
Gentle.
That's pretty much how it goes around here.
Yeah.
He's almost ready to touch her.
Yeah, you can do it. You can do it. Oh!
Huh?
Is she on me?
No.
You sure?
I saw her fly into the yard.
No,
That was so cute to have captured that on video. My little sweetie. Who's the sweetest little sweetie ever did sweet? Okay, bye video.
Aw.